Hi, I'm Matt. I'm with the Coffee Awesomeness team here at Toddy, and today we're going to be showing you our brand new Toddy cold brewing system, the Pro Series. In the box, you will receive the brewer, the lid, the dispensing valve assembly, hose, filter platform, and a starter pack of 10 filters to give you everything you need to start brewing right away. Be sure to properly clean and sanitize all reusable parts before brewing. Now that we have all our parts here sanitized and ready to go, let's begin our assembly. We'll take our dispensing valve and insert a gasket into the back, ensuring that the valve is open. Seat the gasket against the unit and place the clamp over the ring. When inserting the clamp, you want to ensure that it's not going to interfere with the valve opening or closing. The best way to do this is to have it in the upright position away from the direction that the clamp will be closing. Next, we will put the hose bar onto the front of the dispensing valve, using another gasket and clamp to secure it into place. Again, we will want to ensure that the clamp is not interfering with the opening or closing of the valve. Before we begin filling the unit, we'll want to ensure that the shutoff valve is in the closed position by lifting the locking mechanism and turning to the side. Now that the dispensing valve is assembled, we're ready to begin filling the unit. Remove the lid. We're going to fill water just to this support ring on the inside. Now we will take the platform and insert it into a filter. When inserting the platform into the brewer, we want to ensure to fold the corners insert it into the unit. You want to make sure that it seats well on the support ring. Add half the volume of freshly ground coffee into the unit. Now we're ready to add our first measured volume of water. You'll want to do this in a circular motion to ensure that you're fully wetting all of your grounds. Thoroughly mix the grinds, avoiding contact with the platform in a downward plunging and pulling motion. Repeat this process, adding the remaining coffee and water and stirring to ensure that all your grounds are fully saturated. After 30 minutes, simply remove the lid, give it one last stir to ensure that any trapped gases are allowed to escape and ensuring that all of your coffee is fully saturated. Then we'll replace the lid and allow this to brew for the remaining of the duration. Now that we're finished with the brewing process, we're going to start removing the extract from the brewer. We're going to do this by attaching our drainage hose to one end of the unit via the hose barb. We're going to place the other end of the hose into a food-safe storage container. Now we're going to lift the locking mechanism on the quarter turn shutoff valve, opening it and allowing it to drain freely into the container. Once our brewer has finished draining, We can shut off our valve and store our extract in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Due to the weight of the unit, use a team lift to eject the grounds and the filter plate into a trash can. Remove the platform from the filter, dispose of the filter, and clean your platform for the next use.